I don't know why this felt stressful. It's just opening a model kit. Then I got to this. And everything felt way smaller than it should. This is supposed to connect flush or no? Things just didn't feel right. It doesn't go all the way in. Like they should fit, but they don't. I don't know how I did that. But then it actually worked. Okay. Not perfectly. I think I was just overthinking. It's really not that hard. Sometimes the hardest part is just to start.